You searched how to buy shares of Liberty Latin America Ltd, and this quick guide will show the basic steps. Liberty Latin America is a telecommunications company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker LILA. This is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy LILA, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with a photo ID, and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker LILA to find the listing. Make sure you select Liberty Latin America Ltd on NASDAQ so you locate the correct share. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm details. Verify the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker displays LILA to ensure this is the correct stock. To invest, click Trade or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order type and any settings before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set to execute at market open, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase completes. After the trade executes, you will see the new position in your portfolio, a soft CTA. Check the video description for a link to eToro if you want to explore the platform further.